Hello everybody, welcome to Wednesday. S&P 500 was up 0.9%. Again, it was not led by technology for the fourth day in a row. And so, that's one of the questions that comes up is, hey, should we be lightening up on our technology and kind of participating in some of these other categories? I do think at some point in time we will start to broaden the portfolio and catch all of those categories by doing that, using more S&P 500 or more total stock market index and those types of things. But in the short term, I'm really happy with where we are. It is important to look at what companies we're talking about that are in our portfolio and really to kind of conceptualize that. So, the big companies that are in our portfolio in terms of percentage, of course, are Microsoft and Apple, and Amazon and Nvidia, Adobe, Salesforce, Intel, Oracle, Google, Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, DocuSign, etc. So these are companies that have significant earnings and really well positioned for what's happening here, and very viable companies. The last time we had sort of a narrow run-up in the tech arena was in the 2000 downturn, so 98, 99. But the big difference here is that these are the big companies with earnings. And back at that time, if you recall, a lot of companies didn't even have earnings. And even those that did, like let's say Cisco, were selling at multiples that were so ridiculous. And that's not happening now. Now, these things are expensive. I think they're probably stretched pretty far out, and that's maybe why we're seeing them back up a little bit. But I'm not really ready to kind of give up on that segment yet. We are making money. We're not, I look at it this way. My first objective is not lose money. I deal with people's life savings. Try not to lose it. Second thing is try to make money. Okay. Third thing is try to beat the market after all expenses. That's what we've been doing this year. We've been way ahead of the market after all expenses. And so that's the part. We are making money. We're making money right now. And so I'm happy with that. Let's just wait and see what happens, and we'll adjust if we need to going forward. So thank you very much, and I look forward to talking tomorrow.